Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. If you are new here, you are so welcome. My new old subscribers, I appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button, and when you do, remember to click on the notification bell because that will help you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful satin ruffle gele. So guys, to start with, I'm using a 1 yard satin material and the color is orange. So I'm going to go ahead and form my pleats at the front. After that, you ask your model to hold it for you. The system I'm using for this tutorial is 60-40. So the 60 is longer while the 40 is kind of shorter. So guys, after you form your pleats, you ask her to hold it for you while you do the arranging of both sides, because arranging both sides of your gele will make it look flat and neat. So when I'm done, I will go ahead and tie the gele at the back. After tying it, I will come forward with the 60 and pin the beginning down, as you can see on the screen. After that, I'm going to form more pleats and still pin it down. After that, I'm going to go ahead and pleat the beginning to a certain level. I'm not going to reach to the end of the gele. Just wash my hands and you understand what I'm doing. I'm still pinning down the end of some parts that I pleated earlier. Then you form your pleats. Form it very well. After you finished forming your plate, use your office pins to pin it down. Pin it very well in a way that it will not unravel. So guys, when I'm done pinning it, I'm going to go ahead and open the remaining parts of the satin. Then I'm going to pin both hands down. Once you follow this step, the ruffles comes out on its own. No need to stress yourself. You just do arrangement and pin some parts that you feel that is empty without ruffles. As you can see, I did not do much work there. Like I told you before, you feel some spaces you feel that is empty without ruffle. That is what I'm doing right now. So guys, when I'm done arranging the front of the satin, I'm going to go ahead and twist the 40 parts of the satin that is remaining. I'll twist it a little bit, pin it at the back, Then I'll open the end because I didn't twist it to the end. Open the end and use it to cover the space from the back and where the front ended. It will give it another shape. Use my office pin to make both look as if they are together. So guys, and that is all for this satin ruffle tutorial. If you enjoy watching this video and you desire to see more, drop a comment for your sister on the comment section. And remember to like, share the video with your family and friends so that they can learn as well. See you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.